Ka technology trekam ka juk Bynta belatip kum ka drone ni unmanned aerial vehicle kade ka way na ki technology ka ba biang bha ba ka ICAR NEH Yam Institute ka don. Ya ka ni ka technology la beitung ka da ka ICAR hapo jong ka submission na ka Bynta ban pinbiang ya ki kor ki bo trekam hakarep karyang. La ban pin trekam ya ka ni ka core technology ban senret dawai ya ki jing don kam ban pin bha ya ki jing thong kum ki sbo ki sbo ki bami na ka sbo we ki hormones bat ki seaweed extracts bat ki we ki jat sbo bat ki dawai penyap khnyang blashna ki kin bat ya ka bala senret ha ki jaka ki ba he na ka por klem da hap shu ban le da ki briu la pin ya ki jing trekam jong ka drone technology hap reng jong ki samla ki bam pat yo kam yo jam bat ki nong rap kin thei jong ka Ribhoi district.
This ICR extension SMD. So we got through from Atari Umiam. So last year during March we procured this one, and then we are demonstrating to the farmers, and we are also doing some research work to check their feasibility in the Umiam condition. And the approximate cost of this drone is around 10 lakhs. Because of high rainfall, lot of nutrients are leached off. So that's why plants, when it has come to active growth stage, the most of the nutrients required by the plants are not available to the plants. So plant come under stress. So during that time, if we provide foliar nutrients which are important for the plant growth, like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium and other micronutrients at active growth stage and also at flowering, so our crop growth will be good, and also the yield losses will be minimized, and that maximum yield we can achieve.